Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Fikrat. This video is part of video series on Apache Spark Essentials for data engineers. As part of this series, I'm going to share some materials including notebooks and the data files. And in this particular video, I'm going to explain how to set up environment in case you would like to repeat these exercises. For the purpose of this demo, you will need to have few components. First of all, you need to sign up for Workplace. In case you don't have Workplace, you can sign up for Community Edition. I'll share the link for that. Then you'll need to have code and the data and the compute. So let me start with compute. So you can navigate to compute node here and use create compute button. And from here, you can select your clusters configuration. So for the purpose of this demo, you can use single node, so that will save some cost. And then you don't need to have photon acceleration because we will be dealing with light workloads here. You can choose any versions of Spark. The code should work with any of them. Once you have specified your configuration, click create compute and it will create personal cluster for you. So that's one option. You can also use serverless option, which I'm going to use during the demo. Advantage of that approach is that, of course, it's faster, so it starts almost instantly, so you don't need to wait for cluster start. Okay, now let's talk about data. As part of course, I'm going to share a couple of CSV files and a JSON file. Once you download it to computer, you can navigate to catalog, select browse dbfs, and upload it to one of these folders. So in my case, I have uploaded into file store folder, and you can use upload button for that. Once you have uploaded the files, you click here and use copy path button and put it somewhere in your notebook so that we'll use this path a little later. Now let's talk about the code. You will receive few notebooks as part of this course. So you can navigate to workspace here and navigate to the folder where you want to place these notebooks. So for example, you can come here and under your user account, you can click import button here, and then you can navigate to your local folder where you will find where you can specify DBC file that you can download from my repo. Once you upload the files, you will see following notebooks. So let me start with exercise notebook. I don't have any code here, but I have instructions here. So this is kind of homework based on the same data files. And if you choose to do that, it will definitely help you solidify the theoretical knowledge that you have received from demo session. So let me come back to demo. So this notebooks has multiple sections. I'll show you a little later how to navigate it. But important things to know is that there's few settings here that you need to localize according to your settings. Number one, this folder needs to point to the root folder where your data files will be located. So if you will upload the files to file store folder just like I did, then you don't need to change anything. Otherwise, make sure that you change this entry here, as well as, and so you will see this variable repeated in multiple places. You will need to change that as well. table path. So during the course, we'll be writing the data into Delta Lake tables. And here you have two options. So you can either write it into Hive meta store, which I am doing within this notebook. So Hive meta store is available in all the workspaces. So this is default storage for Databricks. And within Hive meta store, you can create schema where to upload it. So currently I'm using default schema, but if needed, you can change it to other schema, providing that schema exists. Alternatively, you can write it into Unity catalog if you have one. And in that case, you will need to specify catalog and schema name as well here. Just like with other variable, so you will see this variable settings in multiple places in notebook. So make sure that you change all of them so that your notebook runs smoothly. Here's some other helpful information. You probably have noticed here the language of my notebook is Python. You can select any of these available languages when you are creating a notebook. But because my demo is about PySpark, I have selected Python notebook. However, you will see through the notebooks that I am switching to different languages. And to do that, I use language magics. So here's one magic. So anything that starts with percentage symbol is a magic. So in this case, this is file system magic, allowing you to explore file system. So more about that you'll hear a little later. And similarly, in some other places you will find SQL language, which allows you to submit SQL related command within this notebook. That's all I want to cover today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in future videos.